Welcome to another driving through Jamaica. I did tell you guys that I'm going to do a part 2 for the car wash video, right? So, I'm here to deliver on that promise. Now, the car wash is located at the Total Portmore Pines in Greater Portmore. When you get there, you'll have to go on the inside to pay for the type of wash that you require. You do have a few options with different prices, but not to worry, the cashier will explain the cost of each option, alright? Now, after you pay, you'll receive a ticket which you'll have to present to the attendant on the outside. Now, we'll get back to the ticket in a few seconds. There are also a few instructions and what I would call a liability notice posted up on the outside of the car wash. Now, I would recommend that you read this before you go ahead and pay for the service. And it's not anything too detrimental that would cause you not to want to get your car washed. However, it's always good to be in the know, right? Now, back to the ticket that we received earlier. As you can see, it comes with a code and there's a machine on the outside that the attendant will enter this code in. Now, I guess every car wash is different because I've seen other machines like this at the entrance of a car wash, and this is where you would normally pay for the service that you require, and it also accepts cash and would even give you back your change if needed. Now, this one is a little different. I'm seeing on this one where it has a card slot, and I'm assuming that this slot is for a card that you'd probably get from the operators that you could top up for multiple use. And I'm not seeing anywhere that would actually accept any cash from you, okay? Now, it's the attendant that will be entering the code and the other functions that is necessary to get the wash started. Now, guys, I know you didn't come here to hear me talk, so I'm going to shut up right now and we're going to take in the process and see how long it takes to complete a full wash of a regular car. There you have it, guys. It's Jamaica's first automated car wash at the Total gas station. That's Total Portmore Pines gas station. And it took about 9 minutes, maybe 9.5 the most, to get a full complete wash of your car. Okay, and I guess now the car is gonna get vacuumed. So they don't have a regular vacuum bay. It's just persons here who are gonna be doing the vacuum. So you know, and they got nice arrangements. You know, nice little waiting area. You can sit right here and wait. And there you have the vacuum bay. You know, I guess these gentlemen are the ones who will vacuum the car. Yeah, but it's a good look for Jamaica, guys. And as I said, it's Total Portmore. It's a gas station, Total Portmore Pines. And yeah, you can come and get your car washed. It doesn't take long, guys. It doesn't take long. Alright? Now, guys, I know some of you might have noticed that on the ticket it said 10 Jamaican dollars, right? Now, I don't know why it was printed that way. I don't know if it was how the machine was programmed, but we all know nothing in Jamaica costs 10 Jamaican dollars unless it's 2 ice mints. Now, now it actually cost me $1,500 to get the wash that I did, and to get a full vacuum, it cost 1,500 Jamaican dollars. All right. And with that said, guys, this is where this video will come to an end. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and click the like button, guys, and also comment, guys. Please leave a comment, share your thoughts, let me know what you think about, you know, this being an automated car wash in Jamaica. Let me know if you think it's a good thing, if it's a bad thing. Just share your thoughts. All right, and until our next drive through Jamaica, be safe.